Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So today again we have been starting with a new kind of zone, and as you can see, it's already a new month. And step by step, I try to make it happen and teach each and everyone as possible as much I can do for each and everyone. So that is what also the thing I wanted to let you know. So I do have a small community also in the VIP chat on Telegram. I have this name as a VIP chat, but it's basically all free. You just need to join me there, and each and everyone I do share the results for the VIP chat. As you can see, like all the community members, they do type me with all their questions and everything. All the updates have been there. I answer each and everyone personally there also. It's too quick for me, all the informations are there. So do type me there also. I'll be waiting for you so we can learn and trade together also and grow more and more. So today let's start with this new kind of thing. Again, I'll show you three indicators. We'll be having a short video for this and quick one, and I'll try to explain you each and every movement, how to open a trade, how to close a trade, and how to make it happen. So let's go start. Each and everyone is set because I was been planning it and I was been testing it again and again. And so this is the thing here. As you can see, all the things need to be in default for the super trend also and for the zigzag also. As you can see, all the trend need to be in default, and here again, and here again, all you need to understand it here again also. So this is also what the kind of thing I wanted to let you know also. So let's go and start it around with $100. So let's go and start it, and step by step we check the currency and the frequency. Oh, so here it is really interesting chart. As you can see, it's too complicated into a way, and how all the greens has been emerging into a with a may ball of pullback, as you can see from Arun and this and that. So here it has been there. So the first point of whiskers, second point of, third point of whiskers, and the fourth point of whiskers, as you can see it here also, it has been there. So Arun is really showing it into a way like how we need to have it, and how we can grow it into a way also. So here it was been a pullback also. So here we'll take a downward trade also right now, to be really making you understand like why somewhere or the other, like some of the times, as I am showing you right now, like even if I took a downward trade and what kind of mistakes people do it, and still I wanted to be in a hurry and this of the thing. So as you must have seen, like many of the times I do tend to show you the mistakes also, what we make it into a way and how we make it into a way and how we are getting into the things. So this is this minor mistake what each and everyone does it when they see this kind of fluctuation into a way. So we are $100 minus. So let's go and start it really right now, how I need to proceed this kind of situation. All right. So first step here also, you need to have it. Here also it was been a pullback. Here also it was been a pullback. Here also it was been a pullback. Here also. So this is really important into a way like how we have been showing it. So it seems to be really complicated because Arun is overlapping above side from the green and how it has been happening it. So here I took a downward trade right now. The reason I took here also a downward trade, as you can see from all the pullbacks, as we are seeing from the zigzag and super trend and things, and Arun also, they have been all flattened. So the reason I understood it into a way like this kind of mistakes, what we have done it into previous trade, like mostly you need to avoid it into this way and then form it into a amalgamation. So right now, as you can state, even we are doing the things or we are checking the indicators, still we are in a safer trade. So plus 192, as you can see right now, still will go it again. So let's take it from $200 right now, and step by step let's check it into a way. Here step by step let's check it into a way. Here also it's 1531, and here also, and here also. So this is 1531 to 30, and how the red has been overlapping here also, and this also, as you can see it. So maybe this is not a good trade for us to take it, because somewhere or the other we are only planning about always about the thing that the three indicators should match it into a way and have it. So here also seems to be a really good one. As you can see how it was been a pullback and it was been shooting up. So here also we took an upward trade right now. But many of the times I need to make you understand and understand into a simpler way and a former way that why we do this kind of things and how we can make a short trade also. So many of the times you need to understand how we are proceeding. It's very much important. Second of the thing, how we are doing it. It's very much important. Third of the things, how indicators we are matching it. It's really much important. So this kind of thing, so plus 384, as you can see it, it's not always about what we are kind of losing into a way, but it's always about how we are recovering it also. So let's go and start with right now with $300. As you can see it, one more trade we can take it here. As I previously showed you what kind of mistakes we tend to do it, how into a hurry I also tend to do a mistake, and how we can recover it. So here, let us check it here. As you can see a pullback here, as you can see a pullback here, as you can see a pullback here, and here as you can see a pullback here, as you can see a pullback, and here as you can see a pullback, and here also. So from this to this period of the time, from this to this period, so it's really necessary to make you understand into a way also like how the pullback has been going. So this is not a good trade for us. So here we'll check it. Here again it was been sloped, and here again it was been sloped. So this again it was been sloped into a way also, and still it has been showing the same kind of here whiskers and this whiskers, and here whiskers and this whiskers. And as you can see it here, how it has been going it up to a way. So this is the thing. So here also, as you can understand it, like somewhere or the other, it's a kind of things that we make it into this way. So here it was been a whisker, here it was been a whiskers, here it was been a whiskers. So many of the times you need to understand like how we are proceeding this trade also, and how we are making it's really important, as you can see it into a way, and how we are been getting a merge and melt up into it. So many of the times you need to understand like how peacefully and forcefully we can make it happen into a way, and how we can have a good profit about it also. And still, so plus 576, as you can see it. So that's what I wanted to let you know also, like how we can proceed it into a way more and more further, and how we can grow it into a way. So that's what I wanted to let you know also, that even if some kind of mistakes we do it, and still how we can proceed it and have it into a way. So that's all guys. So that's what I wanted to let you know also. So it was really important, really necessary to make you understand also. If you do have any comments or links or below or something, do let me know. I'll be available for you also. All the links have been down given below in the channel. So thank you so much. I hope you liked it, you loved it, and I'll be waiting for you for the VIP chat also. So thank you so much.